So this is my new custom-made front panel and black knobs for Cayin integrated tube amplifier MT-45MK3. This is basically Cayin Jazz 80. And Cayin Jazz 80 comes in silver and black flavors, but MT-45MK3 comes only in silver flavor with silver front plate, and it looks like this one, as you can see there. So basically I wanted to have a black front plate because it will be perfectly matching the rest of my equipment. So I've contacted directly Cayin AliExpress store, and very nice guys there told me that it's possible to order one like that. It was $90 shipping included, so not exactly cheap, but as you probably know from my review of this tube amplifier that I absolutely love, MT-45MK3. I love it so much that I'm willing to invest another $90 in a front black plate. So this is CNC machined aluminium. It's very nice, very hefty. They are exactly the same. Why this has to be custom made? Because Cayin Jazz has volume control and input selector in different places. They are switched from left to the right and from right to the left. So you actually need to have a separate front plate. The print quality here is absolutely very good. I don't feel that the video will do justice to this panel. It's really deep black and it has this nice gloss coming from brushed aluminum. It's very thick and solid, as you can see, and it has all mounting holes prepared. So I have to unscrew the silver one, and I'll have to replace the silver one with the black one. And that's basically it. Once I'll change the front plate from silver to black, I'll do some photos and I'll post these photos in my community feed on YouTube, so you'll be able to see how it looks when finished. I may do a video on replacing the panel if I'll have a place and time for that. Because that may be very choppy, because if I do that on the job, it'll be just a set of very short videos, maybe stitched together. Oh, we'll see. So all in all, a very nice finish, absolutely beautiful black front, and I absolutely love my Cayin MT-45MK3, except for the name. Jazz 80 sounds better. MT-45MK3 is a very good name for a Star Wars robot, I think. I love Star Wars. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you'll love your Cayins as I do, and see you next time.